of rancid.
Hello and welcome everybody. Today is work day. No more hanging out on the ocean inlet. Instead, let's pull Merlin out of the trailer and remove the wheels, get ready for rider training. I'll show you the view real quick. The old BMX. The tide is dropping. The birds are chirping. And a chicken. Sometimes it's good to be a Superbike Wanderer. Okay, so I'm going to pull Merlin out and remove the race rubber from this past WMRRA race weekend. That was the 16-lap Formula Ultra race, the money race. You can see the rear tire is half worn according to my measurements, my visual measurements. You can see I got a lot of tires in here, all laid out information. Okay, see you guys soon. And for those that remember, Project Morpheus at the Moralix compound. Also, make sure to check out my last YouTube video, and you can see the sunset in the night in 4K resolution. Okay, let's get back outside. Peaceful waters, guys. Wow, sure was nice. Looking forward to the next one. And for those that don't know, I always have a hater. Somebody watches every single video, so they are subscribed, and they purposely dislike every video. Jesus. Just thinking if I should give it a little wash. It's not too dirty. When you can avoid using water, it's usually best. And I changed my mind. I'm gonna get the hose out and clean Morpheus and Merlin's wheels and just a general polish. Looking fine. Snap. There we go. Getting clean now. Oh look, the FedEx guy's here.
Yeah.
What'd you bring me? Some motorcycle parts? No. Yeah, just throw them in the garage, bud.
Sure,
I'm just filming and working on the motorcycles. You ride a motorcycle?
No, not in a long time.
Oh, there you go.
I used to do cruisers, so not this type here.
Yeah, this is race bikes. Getting clean, clean, clean. Beautiful day, guys. Such a great day. Good day to work outside. Maybe get to work on my tan. Just working on the front wheel, guys. Cleaning the rotors with soap and Simple Green and just kind of some car soap. Make sure you get those calipers, all that brake dust, all that EBC brake dust off of them. I'm actually gonna remove this wheel after anyways, probably, so I'll get even deeper in there. But you know, you think I would just remove the wheel and do this off the bike, but I'm like, whatever. You know, we all make choices. I don't really want to get the pit bull tire tree out of my trailer, so just give everything a wipe down. Get it in there. Get all crevices. Get nice and clean. Don't always get a chance to get it this clean. Usually just using the AMSOIL Miracle Wash. There, I was using all my travel. Let's get that up. I gotta pull those pins too. These are those GP 2-piece CNC calipers. Good price for them. Good, excellent braking performance. Don't really need the 1-piece. These things work just fine and half the price. They're not the RRs, they're the whatever, RSs or RXs. I can't remember now. GPRX or something like that. Making good progress, guys. Some people are probably wondering what is the best way to clean the chain grease. Well, the AMSOIL, it's getting all deteriorated. Heavy duty degreaser dissolves oil, tar, and grime, sticky residue. This thing is the key. Use it to clean the wheels too. So if you want to get some AMSOIL products, guys, just check out my website, irnieracing.shopamsoil.com. And so just fed this in there, but like, yeah, look at it all. I got rid of, I mean, there was, you know, it was everywhere. It was all over here, right? So that's the way to do it, guys. Oh yeah, and then I use the AMSOIL Miracle Wash. That's what we'll use at the end here. Right there. It's an actual AMSOIL product. So it used to be Brightside, but then AMSOIL purchased it or whatever and made their own. Okay, Merlin is done. I gotta get Merlin in the garage before the water spots and use the Miracle Wash for the final cleaning, guys. And then let's move on to the front end of Morpheus. Battery number 2. Anyways, guys, we're out of time. Thanks for watching. My name is Marcel Irnie. Like, subscribe, and share. Who are you looking at?